guys, and welcome to my channel. This is your first time here. Hi, my name is Kearia and this is my channel, Hey Key. As you can see in the title of this video, I am showing you guys the UNICE hair blonde bob wig. This video is not sponsored. I don't have anything against sponsored videos, but this video is not sponsored. I purchased this wig with my own money and I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like. So I'm just gonna go through the process with you guys. I hope you all enjoy it. Let's jump into the video. Okay guys, so this is the wig that I got from UNICE Hair, and it is a 13 by 4 lace, I believe, 10 inches, and it is a blonde wig. I believe that the parts are the free part. So yeah, I'm just opening the box. They gave me like an adjustable strap like you already saw, and then just the wig right there, and then they gave me like this little what is this, like a silk scarf, maybe like a silk scarf, like you can use it to basically like tie your edges to make sure, not your edges, like to tie to make sure like the lace is melted for your wig installation. But anyway, so here is the wig. I'm smelling the wig. It does not have any scents or like any strange odors, which is a good thing. It doesn't have any smell to it, so I'm very happy about that. It's very blonde. It's more like a brassy at the roots, and it's kind of blonde. I don't know how this will look on my skin tone. Honestly, this is the first time that I ever went blonde before, so first time for everything. So here we go. So I'm just going to use my Fenty bronzer, and I'm just going to put that like all over the lace so it make it look more natural. You can choose to do this if you like. This is what I do when I don't feel like bleaching the knots. So yeah, the wig also has 3 clips on there, and then like the adjustable straps in the back. So I just put like that little glueless band on because I never used it before, so I just wanted to try it out. I'm like, try it for this video, right? Okay, so I'm putting the wig on just to see how it'll look. Like, my hair is not braided, that's why it's like a little, like a big hump or whatever. My hair is very natural, it's not braided. I'm really just trying the wig on, doing like a first impression for you guys, just trying to make sure that it fits properly, so you can see what it looks like. So I'm just really like adjusting right now, so really nothing much to say right here. Okay, so right off the back, I'm looking at it and I'm thinking like, it's very pretty. It's a cute color, but let me put my glasses on to double check. The color is cute, but I think I need to tone it down for me. I just think that the brown and the chunky blonde highlights, it's too choppy for me. Like, I just can't do this. Okay y'all, so I found some jet black dye I had in my closet, and I just wanted to touch up the roots really quick. I didn't record it, but if that's something that you guys want to see, let me know and I'll do a video in the future. But I just had to put some black through this wig, and now it looks more natural for me. She cute now. So it's like 2 days later, and it's actually time to put this wig on. So I'm using the Got To Be glue, like the gel, and then I'm using the freeze spray, of course. There's 1,000 videos on how to do this on YouTube, so I really don't have to explain it, but I'm just, applying the gel, using my blow dryer, and then, I'll go back in with the freeze spray. So once that's done, I'm just going to go back with my Fenty, and I'm just going to put that on the wig cap to make it look more natural. Again, this is optional. You don't have to do this. This is just what I do. But yeah, this is what I do just to make my wigs look a little bit more natural. Y'all, my dog was barking for like on and off for like 10 to 15 minutes. He wanted some attention so bad, so I had to pick him up real quick and tell him to be quiet. Be quiet, okay? Be quiet. You already know what's next. It's time to cut this wig cap. I like to use scissors, and I like to use like the little razor from like the beauty supply. This just makes it look like a little bit more cleaner when I use the razor, because like with the scissors you can't get like a nice intricate cut. So this is what I do when I like to put my wigs on. This is totally optional, but I feel like the razor is way more easier, more convenient than the actual scissors. I added some more gel, as you can see, and I'm just gonna blow dry it off camera because you already seen me blow dry. It's really simple, the same thing, nothing new, just to make sure that this cap lays down all the way. And now it is time for this wig, finally, yes. So I forgot to mention, when I dyed the wig and washed it, I let it air dry, so I did not blow dry this wig. I did go back in and flat iron it off camera just to make it a little bit more straighter. But yeah, this wig is 150 density and it is 10 inches long. But all of the information will be in the description box below. Anyway, back to the video. So as you see, I added some freeze spray, and now I'm just going back in and using like my little razor blade just to cut the lace off. So it's really just like a multitude of different things, if that's the word. So it's like you're using the freeze spray, and then you're making sure like the gel is in place, and then you're just blow drying the hair and cutting the lace all at the same time. Well, basically that's what I'm doing. This is very, very beginner friendly. I'm not a stylist. I'm not a professional. I do not know what I'm doing sometimes. But we just gonna do what it do. We just gonna do what it do. It's really not a method to my madness. As you can see, I'm literally just going back and doing the same thing over and over. So I really don't have to talk too much about this part. I just wanted to say that really quickly. And also with the wig, don't be like discouraged or feel like you can't do it, or you like, look, I cannot do hair. I am not a hair professional. I can't even braid. But like I said, we're gonna do what we do because you can do this easy style at home and you're gonna get better with it in time versus paying somebody $200 and then the wig is gonna come off in a week. Like honestly, wigs do not last long. They're for like a high and by occasion, but they do not last long, especially if you're not using the bold hold or like some real glue that's gonna really hold it down. Like wigs don't last that long. So just do it yourself, keep practicing, watching my videos. We're gonna do this. I forgot to mention, but with the razor, you want to do like a zigzaggy motion. You don't want to go straight across because it's going to look a hot mess. Like once you're done, it's going to look just like a straight across. It's going to look just like a wig. You got to do a zigzag. Like I actually went off camera and fixed mine because I really could not see what I was doing. But yeah, just do like a zigzag motion. Okay guys, this is the final look. I absolutely love this wig. It looks completely different from once I first got it. I'll insert like a quick little picture right here so you can see what the wig looked like when I first got it and what it looks like now. I am not a professional, but I do love what I did with this wig. I haven't installed a wig in a long time, so if it looked kind of off, please bear with me. It's been a minute since I've installed my own wig. But yeah, I love this hair. It's very, very soft. It does not shed. It does not have a smell. It can hold like a good curl. When I dyed this hair, I did wash it with some Shimmer Lights. I think it's called the Shimmer Lights purple bottle of shampoo. It's like for like blondes and so your blonde won't look dull or something. I forgot. But yeah, I did wash it with this, and then this is the final outcome. It's very, very full. It's very soft. It does not shed. It does not smell. This is 10 inches, but I will say this side is longer. That's why I did like this little flip. This side is longer. I don't know if this was the style of the wig or if this was like a mistake. But yeah, this side is longer, but I absolutely love this wig. This is so cute. This is perfect for the summer. Let me do like a quick little spin for y'all so you can see. But yeah, I love this wig. So if you are interested, I will have all of the information in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. If you would rock this wig or you like this color, let me know in the comments below. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye y'all.